Ah, that's better. Just a few more to go.
Time to gather some tasty fruit. And give these little plants a drink.
I picked these just for you. Oh, Bobo, they're beautiful. Thank you. Hooray, that's my boy.
The sky is getting dark. Oh no, the wind is picking up. Whoa, look at the leaves fly. The wind is getting stronger. Let's move this inside. Watch out, my hat. No, no. Oh, got it. Thank goodness.
Help, Luna!
Ah, Bobo.
Stay down. I've got you, kids. Cover yourselves. I'm strong enough. I can move this. Just a little more. Come on. Just move, move. No, I can't do it.
Oh, my dear, it's all right. We'll fix this together. Look, Mama, I found my top.
We must stay strong, children.
Time to go. Be careful, Bobo.
Come back soon.
I will.
I must follow these tracks. Where are you going? Here they are. Jump. Keep going. Wow. What is this? An old friend. Wow, look at this. It's so big and rusty.
What is all this moss?
And the bucket is deep in the ground. I wonder what happened here. Wow, what's this?
Oh.
It's huge, and it's yellow.
Oh.
Look at this. I've found a new friend. I found it. Here we go. Heavy bucket. Need to clean. Getting cleaner. Just a little more. Yes, I did it. Looks so good. Time to bring this old friend back to life.
Found it.
Just a little at a time. Almost there. I think it's working. Oh, not yet. Gotta check everything. Okay, here we go again. Yes! It's working! Bobo! You did it! I'm coming to help you!
This.
Oh, it's still good. Wow.
Keep cleaning, Bobo.
I will, Dad.
Let's get this done together.
Time to get to work, Bon.
Look at how dusty it is, Mom.
We'll have it sparkling in no time. All right, let's see what's stopping this engine.
Oh dear, that's quite a mess in there.
Nothing a little cleaning won't fix, then just some fresh oil. Hooray, it's fixed, Bon!
It's working. Look, Bobo. Wow. We did it.
It needs repairing. Don't worry, Bobo. We'll fix it together. It's not working, Dad.
Don't worry, son. We'll figure it out together. All right, let's try opening it up again. Ah, I found it. It's clogged with old oil.
Don't worry, Bon. I'll clean it right up. Here you go, Dad. Use this wrench. Good. Dad, I'm ready to drive. Let's begin our adventure. Just like this, Bobo. Easy does it. Oh no, our house! Don't worry, honey. We'll fix it together. Let's use the excavator, Dad. The storm has left quite a mess. It's worse than I thought.
Bobo's scared.
Don't worry, Bobo. We'll fix it together as a family. The roof is gone. What a mess. Daddy, Mommy, can I help you fix our house?
Don't worry, little one. We'll fix everything.
But the house is broken.
We have help. That machine will make it better. Come on.
I have the tools.
All right, time to make some noise. Rum. Rum. Let's get to work, everyone.
We're ready, Dad.
Let's clear this mess.
Okay, carefully. Don't touch the trees. There. Perfect.
Look, Luna, I found these for you. Oh, Bobo, thank you. You're such a good helper.
And this branch?
Perfect, sweetie. Now could you hand me the little rake over there? All right, Bobo, Luna. It's time to rebuild.
Wow, look at that bucket go!
Yes, we'll make it even better this time. I've got the bamboo and wood. Time to rebuild this wall. I brought another one. Good job, son. Keep up the good work, Bobo. Hold it steady, Luna.
Got it, Bon.
Nails, Dad.
Perfect timing, Bobo. Let's finish this.
Good work, Excavator.
We'll stack it right here. Yes, perfectly aligned. Look at our home. It's perfect. So pretty. Our new home looks perfect. Yes, and the garden is beautiful. It's the best.
Look at our amazing work.
It's even better than before.
Now for the perfect finishing touch.
Look at our beautiful